In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for jobs on LinkedIn. To get started, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your home page, look for the Jobs tab at the top of your LinkedIn page. Clicking on this will take you to a space dedicated specifically to job searching. Here, you'll find a collection of recent jobs which LinkedIn generates based on your profile information and activity. If you haven't interacted much with job postings yet or are just starting, LinkedIn graciously offers some suggestions tailored to your background and interests. When you see the suggestions on your screen, take a moment to browse through them and see if anything catches your eye. To dive deeper into your job hunt, utilize the job search bar prominently displayed in this section. This search bar is your main tool. It allows you to enter specific job titles or keywords to really hone in on what you're looking for. For example, if you're in marketing and looking for positions related to social media management, you can input social media manager and hit enter. This will promptly present you with a list of opportunities that match your criteria. LinkedIn provides a range of filters to refine your search further, ensuring you only see jobs that match your personal and professional preferences. Take advantage of the date posted filter if you're keen on applying for roles that are freshly posted and likely to still be open. If you're at a specific stage in your career, the experience level filter will be invaluable. It can help you avoid jobs that aren't aligned with your current experience. Additionally, if you have a particular company in mind where you'd like to work, make good use of the company filter to narrow down job postings from those specific organizations. These filters help streamline your job search, saving you from sifting through irrelevant postings. Another helpful feature is the ability to choose between remote, on-site, or hybrid work settings. This can be particularly useful if you're searching for opportunities that fit around your personal lifestyle, whether you prefer working from home, an office environment, or a mix of both. Feel free to explore these filters and experiment with different keyword combinations and criteria to open up new possibilities. LinkedIn is a robust and versatile platform for job seekers, and by getting comfortable with these features, you can navigate it with greater ease and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads.